An outstanding intro can always attract people's attention and keep them watching your video. Here we bring you the cinematic title tutorial, which is super easy to achieve in Wondershare Filmora. Hey everyone, welcome to Filmora MVP channel. Here we teach you editing tricks, filmmaking, and camera techniques. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit the notification bell to get the latest updates. Before we start editing, click the download link in the description box. Click on the free download option. Now, a Filmora installer is downloaded automatically. Just double-click on it, agree with the terms, and here you go! Filmora started to download and install. Once it's installed, it'll start and run automatically. Let's go to the titles and drop the default title on track 1. Double-click on it to change the font as Metropolis Black, also with font size to 36. Type your title on text, and increase text spacing by 10. Now open the advanced window. Add another text layer below, adjust the font size to 20, change the font to Metropolis Light, and enter your text. Select Clean Text. Change the font to Metropolis Semi-Bold, and then click OK and take a snapshot. Delete text clip from the timeline. Now import your video clip. Drop your video clip on track 1 and make it 10 seconds long. Place the playhead at the start of the video clip. Double-click on it to bring out the new window. Here we change opacity to 0% under the Animation tab. Locate at 0.1 seconds and 0.7 frame, and change the opacity to 100%. Then place the playhead at 0.8 seconds and 17th frame position. Here we add a blank keyframe, then place the playhead at the end of the clip, then change the opacity to 0%. Now go to the Color tab and change the contrast to 65, saturation to 100, and brightness to -48. Select Game of Thrones under 3D LUT and click on OK. Then go to the effect, search for Dark Film Effect, and apply it on track 2. Increase its duration to fit the video clip. Move the playhead at 0.1 seconds and 0.6 frame position. Click on My Media and find the white color under Sample Color folder. Drop it on track 3, where playhead position is, and keep white color 0.4 seconds and 20th frame long. Double-click on white color to bring put the setting window. Under the Video tab, Mask section, you can import your snapshot clip and give the name to the clip and press OK. Next step is to add masking keyframe. Increase blur strength to 15%. Place the playhead at 3 seconds position and decrease blur strength to 0%. Now place the playhead at 5 seconds and 10th frame, add a blank masking keyframe, place the playhead at the endpoint, and increase blur strength to 18%. Click on the basic, choose Animation, place the playhead at the start of the white color clip, decrease the opacity to 0%, and place the playhead at the 2 seconds and 0.6 frame. Meanwhile, increase the opacity to 100%. Then locate at 5 seconds and 15th frame position and add a blank keyframe. Move the playhead at the end position and change the opacity to 0%. Lastly, go to the effects and apply the cinematic bar effect on track 4, and increase its duration, double-click on the effect, and increase border height to 0.10. Click on the render preview to see the final preview. That's it! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Plus, subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon, but don't leave without sharing this video, and leave your comment below. Bye!